If you're trying to book a stay but keep getting an error message, a declined card can be incredibly frustrating. In this video, I will show you how to fix an Airbnb card declined issue so you can secure your reservation and manage your account payments. To begin, log in to your Airbnb account. Click on your profile icon and select Account Settings. From there, click on Payments and then the Payment Methods tab. The most common reason for a decline is a simple mismatch in billing details. Check that your card number, CVV, and expiration date are correct. Even a small typo in the zip code can cause a bank to block the transaction. If everything looks right, your bank might be flagging the payment as a high-value or unusual international transaction. In this case, you should call your bank's customer service line to authorize the payment specifically for Airbnb. If the card still isn't working, try adding a different payment method, like PayPal, or a different credit card, by clicking Add Payment Method. Sometimes simply switching from the mobile app to a desktop browser can also resolve temporary technical glitches. If you've confirmed with your bank that the funds are available and the details are correct, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Help Center, and use the Contact Us button to chat with an Airbnb agent who can check if there's a block on their end. That's how you fix an Airbnb card declined error.